Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a very interesting car. This is, I know it looks kind of stripped down already, but anyways, this is a 2006 Dodge Ram. The 2006 Dodge Ram, and you may wonder what's the problem with this car. All right, the problem with this car is, as you may guess, the cluster. You open the switch, and that's the issue with this cluster. The light won't turn off, and the customer already changed this part new. And if you change it to the left side, it changes. But if you leave it in the center, poof, it keeps going all the time. And to see that I'm not lying, just watch. See? That's the issue with this car. It's pretty crazy, huh? Look. Okay, and the issue goes if I disconnect it. There you go. But what's the real fix? Well, I tried to do a reset on the cluster with this scanner. And let me find it really quick. Instrument cluster module. There we go. This cluster is very complicated to diagnose because it uses a lot of data lines. As you can see, it only has 4 cables, and 2 cables are only for this, and the other 2 are for the lights. Alright, the first thing I did, I went to read codes that says that, well, I disconnected that's why it triggered the code. But if I erase it, it's already erased. There we go. The problem still goes. Alright, and if I go to functional test, what I can do is move all the needles and everything. I can do a test for the whole thing on the dashboard. False. True. It still does the same thing. Test turn on all these systems. Well, I did a lot of tests on this thing, and I even tried to reset it, but it doesn't work. And we already found the problem, and it's actually this thing. And we got a used cluster with less mileage, and actually we have a company called iCars. That's the label. You can find it online. It's called iCars speedometers, and they sent us this cluster, and now I'm gonna try it so I can show you that it works. Alright guys, so I installed the used cluster already, and I have this thing connected already. Now I'm gonna put the switch, and as you can see, the problem is gone. I'm gonna try it. Left works fine. Now right, and it works fine. Middle, and there we go. Problem is solved. All this was the problem. This is the old one, and this one we're gonna return it so they can use it for core parts. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to like.